Hello family, you are welcome to our channel. In case today is your first time tuning into this channel and haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification for latest updates. Like, share and comment below. Yes, your comments are very important to us. Here we learn and we teach about herbs. That is how you can use herbs to solve your problem, how you can use it to deal with any sort of problem that you are going or passing through, be it physical or spiritual. That is what we teach over here. And our teachings is not based on religion. So if you are Christian, you can do it. If you are Muslims, you can participate in it. Hindu, Buddha, whatever religion that you are in, you can also do it and you get a positive result. In fact, it's no joke. Yes, we are not discriminating. It is based on the power vested in the nature that we use or we do our things with. So today we are going to learn something special about this herbs that you are seeing on your screen. Yes, you can see the image there and I'm holding the rare herbs in my hand. It is called miracle leaves. Some call it resurrection plant. Why the name resurrection plant? Because this house never dies. It never dies. When you put this herb somewhere, it will surely germinate. Wherever you keep this particular herb, if you pluck one and you keep it, wherever you keep it, it will germinate and grow. So it never dies. That is why some call it resurrection plant. And others call it life plant. Because this particular herb that I'm holding is full of life. Is full of life. It is always full of life. And have you wondered why some call it miracle leaf or miracle plant? It works miracle. It really works miracle. And today I'm going to teach you how you can use it to make someone fall in love with you. That is one of its miraculous work. Yes, how you can use it to make someone fall in love with you is what I'm going to teach you. I don't know the status of your relationship. I don't know either your relationship is shaking or is at the verge of collapsing. Are you married and your marriage is at the verge of collapsing? Or are you in a relationship and you are not feeling comfortable because there is lack of love? Don't worry, after this teaching, you will be able to solve that situation amicably. In fact, it's no joke. It works like wonders. It works like magic, and you know that indeed there is power in this particular nature. In fact, this is what you are going to do. If you are a man and you've taken care of a certain lady, or in the name of you want to get married to the person, but at the end or in the end the person wants to dump you for no reason, don't worry. Try this particular direction up and you will get a positive result that will just bring joy to you again. Yes, if you're a woman and you've had a man that was, that the man was nobody, and now you've helped the man to become somebody, and now the man wants to, leave you for another woman, don't worry. Try this particular direction or spare, and you are going to get a positive result. The man will love you head over heels. You will be surprised at the love that the man will show you. In fact, it is very powerful. It's no joke. The materials needed for this particular love spare or love direction are: you get this miracle leaf, you pluck two of these miracle leaves from the herbs, from the miracle plant, the plant of this particular herb that I'm holding. You pluck two like this, two, you see, you get two of the leaves like this, you see, like this, get two. Then you get your red pen. Make sure you go and buy a red pen if you don't have a red marker. Red pen. You know that red is a symbol of love. When something red is a symbol of love, so when we are going to use red pen to do this, it means that we are going to channel the love energy so that the person will love you. Yes. So red pen or red marker will do. Then you get your white thread. Yes, white. White means victory. So we are going to win the heart of the person. When you are doing this, you are going to win the heart of the person. So you are doing this, combination to win the heart of the person. The two miracle leaves, red pen, white thread. Then the last but not the least, the person's name is very important. Yes, as far as love spell is concerned, the person's name is very, very important. So you are going to use these materials that I'm holding over here, two miracle leaves. Then you get your red pen, your white thread. Then the person's name is the first thing that you have to get before starting it, because the person's name is the principal material over here. This is what you are going to do. Let me go, and teach you the procedure. This is what you are going to do. You will write the name of the person in front part of the miracle leaf. You pick one of the miracle leaf and write the name of the person in front part. When I say front, this is the back of the miracle leaf. So the front, the face part of the miracle leaves. Can you see it? Yes, I'm sure you can see it. Then you write the name. You write the name like this. Like this. You just write the person's name. Maybe Rose. I'm using Rose for example. Rose. So you write Rose. You write your Rose in front part of the miracle leaves. Rose. You see? After you are done writing the person's name in front part of the miracle leaf, you pick the other leaf. Then you write your own name. You write your own name. Like I'm writing over here. This is for example, so never mind. You write your own name, you see, in front part of the miracle leaves. So as you have both of the names written in front part of the miracle leaves, the next step is that you are going to fix the names together. As you just let them face each other like this. Kindly monitor it. Watch me doing. You are going to fix them together like this. You see, the names are facing together and I've combined them together to form one list. You can see it. The two lists has been what? Faced together like this. So what are you going to do with your white thread? Now you are going to use this white thread to tie it. You are going to use this white thread to tie it. So you are dealing with leaves, so your tying doesn't have to be full of energy. No, you don't have to exert much energy on it. You tie it softly. So whilst you are tying, then you say out your heart desire, how you want your relationship to be, the kind of love you want to experience in your relationship. That's what you say. So like I use the name Rose. I'm going to pray with the name Rose. Rose, I want you to love me. I want you to fall heads over heels in love with me. I want you to obey my instruction. Do as I say. I want you to do all my wish. I want you to fall in love with me deeply. I want you to understand me. I don't want any quarrel in our relationship. I want you to, fall for me deep down. In fact, say all your heart desire, positive things. Because whatever you are saying is going to manifest. So make sure you say positive things as you are turning. Rose, I want you to love me. I want you to show me love. I want you to, obey me. I want you to respect me. Do all my wish. Say it. Say all your heart desires. But whilst you are saying, please say positive things, because this is no joke spell. And before you do this particular spell, make sure you love the person and you want to marry the person. You want to get married to the person. Because this particular spell is no joke. It is very powerful. It works like magic. So please, whilst you are praying, say it. Whilst you are done with your prayers, or as you are done with praying, or you are satisfied with your prayers, you can cut the thread with any sharp object. Now me, I don't have any sharp object here, so I'll remain it like this. If you have sharp object, make sure you have the sharp object right with you. So you cut the thread with sharp object. Now take this thing, the spear, out and dig the ground, bury it. Go back to your room or wherever you did it. Go there. Go safely. In fact, That's it. You are done. Wait for your result. Within a short period, you will see that there is power in nature. It will start manifesting. The person will start showing you great love, too much love. In fact, you will be surprised. You'll be like, wow. You'll be happy that you did it. Thank you for watching. See you next time in our next video.